There are 4 people in the house now.
There are 4 people in the house now, and I'm very happy.
And I'm very happy. And Jane? Well, we all
And Jane, well, we all like her.
like her. Morning, everybody.
Morning, everybody.
What's this?
What's
It's
it?
a video film.
It's a video game film about my new house and my new house mates.
About my new house and my new housemates. It's for my sister Alison.
It's for my sister Alison.
Oh, right.
Oh, right. Is it okay?
Hey. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so.
Okay, Ali.
Okay, Ali. This is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen. And who is this?
And who is it?
Say something.
Say
Say
something.
what? It's 7:30.
Say what? It's 7:30 in the morning.
in the morning.
Talk to my sister. Introduce
Talk to my sister. Introduce yourself.
yourself. Go on, David.
Go on, David.
Hello, I'm David.
Hello, I'm David. I come from Manchester. I'm a lecturer.
I come from Manchester. I'm a lawyer. I work in Oxford.
I work in office. That's it.
Did.
What things do you like?
What thing do you like?
I like
I like my jobs. I like football, swimming.
my job. I like football, swimming. I like a quiet breakfast, and I don't.
I like a quiet breakfast, and I don't like video cameras.
like video cameras. And I start work at 8 o'clock, so
And I start work at 8 o'clock. So bye.
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 David's nice, really.
David's not really.
Ready?
Ready?
Just a minute.
This is me.
Ready.
Ready.
Hello, my name's Helen. I come
Hello, my name's Helen. I come from London, but I live in Oxford. What else?
from London, but I live in Oxford. What else? What do you do?
What did you do?
I'm a marketing assistant.
I'm a marketing assistant for a publishing company.
For a publishing company. I work in Oxford, but
I work in Oxford, but I sometimes go to the London office.
I sometimes go to the London office. I usually go to work at 8
I usually go to work at 8 o'clock, and I get home at 6:30.
o'clock, and I get home at 6:30. Is it a good job?
It's a good job.
It's a very good job. I really
It's a very good job. I really like it. What else do you like?
like it. What else do I like? I also like good food, film.
I also like good food, films.
I go to the gym at the weekend.
I go to the gym at the weekend. Oh, and I like travel.
Oh, and I like travel. I love France and Spain.
I love French and Spain. I speak a little French and Spanish.
I speak a little French and Spanish. What things don't you like?
What thing don't you like?
Well, I don't.
Well, I don't like noise. Oh, and I don't like cigarettes.
Like noise. Oh, and I don't like cigarettes. Great.
Great.
You're welcome.
You are welcome.
Where's Matt?
Where's Matt?
I think Matthew's still in bed.
I think Matt should in bed.
Matt.
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 It's Jane.
It's
Can I come
Jane.
in?
Can I come in?
Matt,
Matt,
do you want to be in a film for my sister?
do you want to be in a film for my sister?
Just say something.
Just say something.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Matt,
Matt,
where are you from?
where are you from?
Birmingham.
Birmingham.
He's from Birmingham.
He's from Birmingham. What about your job?
What about your job?
Shop manager.
Shop manager.
He's a shop manager.
He's a shop manager. He works in a computer game store.
He works in a computer game store. He likes computer games.
He likes computer game.
Matt,
Matt,
do you like computer games?
do you like computer games?
And he likes rock music.
And he likes rock music. And he loves his bed.
And he loves his bed. Matt, what time do you
Matt, what time do you usually get up?
usually get up?
7:30.
Half
It's
past
8 o'clock.
7. It's 8 o'clock.
I start work at
It's Wednesday. I start work at 1 o'clock on Wednesday.
1 o'clock on Wednesdays.
Matt,
Matt,
it's Tuesday.
it's Tuesday.
A perfect start to a perfect.
A perfect start to a perfect day for Mattis.
Day for Matthew.